Hi traders, NFP is only a few hours away. So the non-farm payroll. So we're getting an idea of the employment data at the end of the month, very volatile times as that data comes out, and the market can build up with a certain amount of expectation. So expectation-wise, we're basically seeing a very weakening US dollar right now. Keep in mind the ADP data that's just come out a day or so ago, it missed expectations substantially. We've seen the crosses, say the euro dollar, go up from around 103 to 108 very quickly indeed. So the question remains, just how weak could this NFP data come out? So the forecast is a fall down to about 160,000 jobs made in February. So that's the big question. So I was having a chat to a couple of our analysts here at ACY. So I was talking to Luca, Santos, and I was talking with Peter Pan. Their descriptions, and if you want information or analysis that they're doing, have a look in the description below. So both agree we're going to get a fall. Luca was very much focused on an unemployment rate fall. So right now it's sitting flat at about 4% unemployment rate. He believes that's the thing that could fall. Whereas Peter Pan was looking at, say, the 160,000 jobs is the forecast. He's looking at a move much lower than that, potentially all the way down to about 60,000 jobs. So the logic, of course, is a whole lot of jobs last month were cut as a result of the Trump administration and Doge and getting rid of government workers. So we could see a dramatic effect or fall in the number of jobs created, which will create a lot of volatility. So Peter Pan's trade ideas. So he's looking at this. He's saying, if we create, or the US creates 100,000 jobs or more, then he would be looking to short, believe it or not, the Aussie against the US dollar. So 100,000 jobs or more, he's actually looking to short the Aussie against the US dollar. Whereas if it falls all the way down to about 60,000 jobs only created, he's therefore looking to continue long the euro dollar. Okay, so there's two different approaches. If we create more than 100,000 jobs, he's thinking that the US dollar could actually strengthen and he would look at an Aussie US dollar short. Keep in mind, technically it's right up at weekly resistance. So, and it has had a sudden meteoric rise over the last few days and last few weeks. So he's looking for a correction there. However, if we do get a really negative report, like it's basically misforecast by about 100,000 jobs, then he's looking for a continuation on this euro against the US dollar. Remember folks, it's a volatile time, so use your risk management. And I think looking at this personally, this NFP will be the icing on the cake. So far, we're getting some real weakness in this US dollar, admittedly, but at the same time, we're getting some weak data coming out of the US. If employment is affected, this could back Trump into a bit of a corner and we could really start to see this US dollar fall accelerate.